Good morning students. Welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start our revision of lesson number 4 and lesson number 5. So let us begin with our first chapter, that is lesson number 4, Microsoft Excel 2010 part 1. So first we are starting with the MCQs, multiple choice question. First is the combination of rows and columns is known as dash. Options are A cell, B bracket, C name box. So answer is cell here. Second one, the default name of the Excel workbook is dash. A document 1, B book 1, C spreadsheet 1. So answer is book 1. Third one, you can observe a button on the lower right corner of some of the groups. It is known as dialog box launcher. Options A are formula bar, B status bar, C dialog box launcher. So answer is dialog box launcher. Fourth one, a dash symbol is also there which provide help about Excel. Options are A question mark, B exclamatory mark, C full stop mark. So answer is question mark. Fifth one, the contextual tabs are special tabs that appears only when you need them, making it easy to use them only when certain task is done. Options are A home tab, B view tab, C contextual tabs. Sixth one, the dash shows the actual content of the selected cell. A formula bar, B status bar, C dialog box launcher. So answer is formula bar. Seventh one, the Excel files are saved with dash extension. Option A .docx, option B .pdf, C .xlsx. So answer is .xlsx. Okay. Eighth one, using dash option we can combine selected cell into one cell and the text written in it is automatically displayed in the center. Options are A wrap text, B format painter, C merge and center. So answer is merge and center here. Ninth one, dash is the label of last column of Excel 2010. So options are A IV, B FXD, C XFD. So answer is XFD. It is the last column name of the Excel. Okay. Lesson number 10. Question 10. Dash view show a blue border separating each page. Options are A page layout, B preview, C page break. So answer is page break here. 11th one, dash character is shown in cell when numeric data is bigger than the size of the cell. Options are A H, B dollar, C star. So answer is H here. 12th one, an Excel number in scientific format shows dash special character indicating exponents. Option A E, capital E, option B capital A, C capital F. So answer is capital E. 13.1, a dash is a graphical representation of some numerical data. Options are A space, B chart, C smart art. So answer is chart here. 14.1, dash option attaches the data table at the bottom of a chart. Options are A data tables, B data labels, C grid lines. So answer is data tables. 15.1, dash are used to insert different vertical and horizontal grid lines on the chart area. Options are A data tables, B data labels, C grid lines. So answer is grid lines here. 16.1, dash option is used to give meaningful title of the chart. Options are A axis titles, B chart title, C data labels. So answer is chart titles here. 17.1, dash option is used to give label to the horizontal axis. Options A axis titles, B chart title, C data labels. So answer is axis titles. 18.1, dash are some colorful symbol to identify different data ranges on the chart. Options A. Axis styles, B. Legends, C. Data labels. So answer is legends. 19.1. Dash are actual data values of each data range. Option A. Axis titles, B. Chart title, C. Data labels. So answer is data labels. 21. The background color are given using dash option of shapes, styles, group of format menu. Options are A. Shapes file, B. Chart title, C. Data labels. So answer is chart file. So this was our MCQs of lesson number 4. Now let us start lesson number 5, Microsoft Excel 2010 part 1. Multiple choice question. First one, dash function is used to add number. Options are A. Average, B. Sum, C. Max. So answer is sum here. Second one, dash function is used to find the average value. Options are A. Average, B. Sum, C. Max. So answer is average here. Third one, dash function is used to find the highest number from the list of number. Options are A. Average, B. Sum, C. Max. So answer is max here. Fourth one, dash function is used to find the smallest number from the list of numbers. Options are A. Mean, B. Sum, C. Max. So answer is mean here. Fifth one, dash function is used to find the integer part from the fraction number. Options are A. Average, B. Integer, C. Max. So answer is int integer. Okay. Sixth one, dash function is used to find the total number of characters including digits, blank spaces and special character in a cell. Options are A. Len, B. Sum, C. Max. So answer is len here. Seventh one, dash function is used to count the number of cells that contains numerical values like numbers, date and time. Options are A. Average, B. Sum, C. Count. So answer is count here. 8.1, dash function extracts specific number of characters from starting position you specify and the number of characters you specify. Options are A. Meet, B. Sum, C. Count. So answer is meet here. 9th one, dash is a conditional statement used to check condition. Options are A. If, B. Sum, C. Count. So answer is if here. 10th one, all Excel formulas and functions start with dash sign. Options are A is equal to B slash C percentage. So answer is equal to here. 11th one, dash symbol is used to indicate power of a number in Excel. Options are A percentage, B H, C exponential sign. So answer is C. 12th one, dash indicates some error in the Excel formulas. Options are A hash error, B hash name, C dollar name. So answer is hash name. (13.1) Cell styles option in the dash group of home tab of Excel. Options are A cells, B styles, C number. So answer is styles here. 14.1 output of is equal to int in bracket 99.99 bracket complete would be dash. Options are A 100, B hash, 4 times hash, C 99. So answer is 99 here. 15.1 dash symbol is used to make cell address absolute. Options are A percentage, B hash, C dollar. So answer is dollar here. 16.1 sort and filter option is in the dash group of home tab of Excel 2010. Options are A editing, B cells, C clipboard. So answer is editing here. 17.1 dash is a tool used to apply formatting based on certain conditions. Options are A if, B conditional filtering, C conditional formatting. So answer is conditional formatting here. 18.1 dash helps you to find specific values quickly. Options are A filtering, B formatting, C printing. Answer is filtering. 19.1 output of is equal to meet in bracket inverted commas computer comma 4 comma 3 bracket complete would be dash. Options are A com, B put, C ter. So answer will be put. 21th, the insert function button is on the dash. A name box, B status bar, C formula bar. So answer is formula bar here. So this was our MCQs of lesson number 4 and 5. So study this MCQ well and write in a good handwriting in your paper. So best of luck for your examination. Thank you and have a nice day.